We got a big significant unboxing today. We're going to be doing the DeWalt FlexVolt reciprocating saw kit. This is a big daddy kit because it comes with not one, but two of these 9-volt FlexVolt batteries, the heavy duty batteries to power a variety of different tools. You need one of them to power this reciprocating saw. Now the reason why I'm getting this, and I don't know if you saw it on my video, on my other videos, but my shed got broken into, my tools got stolen, including my FlexVolt batteries. So I needed two FlexVolt batteries, and I also needed to replace the reciprocating saw they stole. So I found out that they actually had a kit like this that comes with two batteries, the saw, and it comes with a charger, a fast charger, and a bag. And that is all inside this box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start this unboxing. Now, the reason why I got this kit, like I said, is that it comes with pretty much everything I needed to replace because they stole my tool bag, they stole my tools, and they stole my batteries. So I have to replace all of those, and it's nice that there's a kit like this where I think I saved some money by getting it all in. Wow, look at the size of this bag. Now this is a nice tool bag. The only problem is it doesn't have one of those like over the shoulder straps, so you're gonna have to carry it with your arm. But to think that I finally have a bag to put that reciprocating saw in, that's nice because I didn't have a bag that was this long. Okay, there's some cardboard, which we don't need. There is the manual for the reciprocating saw. Other people, they call it the Sawzall as well. That's another name you might hear for this particular tool. Here is that DCB118 fast charger. So this can do both the FlexVolt batteries and your standard DeWalt batteries. Comes with one blade. If you need blades, folks, go on Amazon. You can get a variety of different blades. I highly recommend it because once you have this, you're going to want to be able to cut everything from wood, even branches. You can get pruning blades. And also, of course, you want to be able to cut metal as well, like screws and stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at this Sawzall, aka reciprocating saw. It's quite heavy. See, they make these all for right-handed people. They expect people to hold it like this with the right hand. But I'm a lefty, man. I'm southpaw, so I'm going to hold it this way. I never get to see the actual label. Piss me off. Anyways, it's got a lock on the top here. So when you push it in, the battery goes onto the bottom. Of course, this can take, it requires like a FlexVolt battery, one of these heavy duty ones. I'll show you that in a bit. And then you put the blade on, and I'll just flip it over to show you how that happens. So basically, you open this up, and then you insert the blade inside there. It goes in pretty easy. It's easy to take on and off. Again, this is like a multi-tool, except a big daddy multi-tool to cut things. If you're just cutting old lumber, if you're cutting like pruning branches, you can get a pruning blade on here and like take off huge, like for me, I trim cedar hedges and trees. I'll use this to cut some big branches. So definitely a tool that you're going to want to use. Here's the Big Daddy FlexVolt. This is what I needed to replace. These things are not cheap, folks. That's why I had to make a decision if I was going to buy a kit or if I was going to buy them by themselves. It comes with this top red piece. You want to keep this. This is not something that you throw away, and this is what you want to use when you transfer it. These are lithium ion batteries. You need to take care of them. On the top, let's see if it has any power. Oh, it does have a little bit of power. And to take this off, little tip is you need to press this down to get it to remove, and then you can put it back on when you're transporting it. So definitely do not lose that or do not throw it away. You want to keep that and get into the habit of keeping it on. So like I said, it comes with two of them. Call these the Big Daddy. I use these. I have like a table saw, which takes one of these. I also have a chop saw, which takes two of these. A battery powered chop saw. That's what got me into the whole DeWalt series and made me a fan. The fact that battery tool technology got to that level, took a tech guy like me, turned him into a handyman, turned it all into Handy Andy, all because cordless power tools. So folks, that is the end of this unboxing video for this kit from DeWalt. It's their FlexVolt reciprocating saw kit that comes with 2 FlexVolt 9 amp batteries. Also this 60 volt, reciprocating saw, the fast charger, and they give you this extra blade and a bag. So definitely was a good investment for me to replace my other tools. Be sure to like the other videos. I did a whole bunch of unboxing of DeWalt tools that I had to replace. So if you are a DeWalt fan, you'll want to check that out. And you can even check what I did to my shed to improve it so that this doesn't happen again. I am Andy Barrar, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.